Guys, good morning. So it's morning in here. I know it's noon in here already. So it's a little bit warmer, but it's still they got chilled a little bit the wind. So guys, for today is I'm going to transfer my pumpkin. Yeah, so let's go. I got already over here that's it's individual already. So let's go. That one, as you can see, this one guys. All right. Alright, so let's do it. So guys, here's the pot that I transferred the pumpkin, the small pumpkin and then the big pumpkin. Okay, so I got different two types of pumpkin. It's like a peanut pump squash. Okay, so this is the one. Tara. Okay guys, I'm here now. Yeah, I'll just sit down in over here, and then I'm going to transfer this one. As you can see, this one is a big pumpkin guys. It's huge. So I think I got only two only sprouting, but I can add more of that. But before that, we need to transfer right now. Okay, so holy cow. Let's put the pumpkin in here. All right. We'll see guys. Slowly only, slowly, so we're not damaging the roots guys. Okay, okay, so that's the roots. It's a pumpkin, so let's put this over here. Put a little bit soil. Then after this one guys, I need to put this back in my greenhouse. Okay, so I check all of it. I think that's two only, so I can add more because I got a lot of seeds. Okay, oh, that's the other one. So I'm gonna put this over here. Still wet guys, the soil is wet. Okay, so that's a big pumpkin over here. I supposed to put this down deeper, right? I don't know. Is it deeper or just like this? Let's put it deeper. So if everybody's asking why I plant some pumpkin, guys, this one only for a Halloween. Okay. So I don't need to buy some Halloween pumpkin. Okay, so only that. We need to Okay, here we go. The next one is over here. Some of it is not yet sprouting though. Not big one, I mean. But we'll see if this one is growing or not. Maybe uh, we can grow again, right? Yeah. Oops. Okay, that's the small pumpkin. As you can see. Yeah, I'm going to put this over here. Okay, dogs. So I'm going to add a small. Alright. I hope this one is growing good or healthy, guys. Okay. After I transferring this one. I don't know if it's early to grow some pumpkin. I just did super early. Yes, super early. I plant this super early, I think. I don't know. Okay, next is over here. This one. Okay. Oops. Oh, wow. So I got two. Yan. I got two. Alright. Let's put this over here. This one, guys, is a peanut pumpkin. Yeah, I grow this. I got a lot of seeds, guys. Okay, this one. I got a lot of seeds too. Sorry about my hands. Okay, next. Over here. Okay. Wow, so pretty. Next in here. But I got a lot more, guys. Okay. I got a lot more. This one. So, I'm gonna grab this. I don't know if I'm correct. I don't know. It's fully route. Oh, wow. Some of it, guys, the small one, I just leave this over here until it's totally, they got a lot of leaves. Okay, but this one, it's already 3 leaves, so we can transfer this one. As you can see, 3 leaves already. It's supposed 4 leaves, guys. I always transfer them 4 leaves, but I think it's overcrowded over here, so I need to transfer right away. We'll see if this one is growing or not, right? We'll see. All right. Wow, it's chilled. So over here also, little bit. Oh. this one in here. So tiny though. So I got two. Oh, yeah, I got two over here. So we need to separate this, and then the other one, which let's put this over here, and then the other one is other side. Okay. Be good to me, baby. Be good to me, baby. I like this one. So if someone is asking, yeah, someone is asking me on my Facebook channel if I use the growing light. No guys, I never use growing light. I just let it what's inside in my garden, the temperature, so nothing. I don't have growing lights, guys. Okay, so everybody, yeah, yeah. Okay, so the pumpkin, guys, oops, I got still a lot of pumpkin in here, so I just leave this over here in a pot because it's still not totally sprout. It's not totally, not yet totally like this huge seedlings. So after this one, guys, is growing, I need to transfer it again, but I think I can't show them already. Okay, just one video only I film, guys. Alright, so you can okay, so this one is done. As you can see, come on, I'll go closer. Wow, over right there. Yeah, that's my pumpkin. So I think, guys, that's it for today, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.